Welcome to Photoshop Tricks Under 2 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an oil painting effect in Photoshop. First, open the image that you want to apply the effect to. Next, go to Filter, then choose Camera Raw Filter. On the right side of the screen, you will see the different properties. Open the Details section. Choose Noise Reduction and adjust the value to 100. Adjust the value of Detail and Contrast to 0. Next, open the Basic panel, then adjust the clarity to around 90 depending on your preference. Hit Enter or click OK once done. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.